Heck yeah, good morning everyone. Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I had to get away. The mountains were calling and parts of it remind me of back home. Well, this green moss here. Oh, a little cave down there. That's kind of creepy. Big ol' rocks. Hi guys. Is it too early in the year to enjoy Georgia rivers? I don't know. A lot of mountain snow melt. Yeah, it's too early. It's like glacier-fed water. Woo! Okay. It's a good way to sober you right up in the evening, though. Holy cow! Eric, quit doing dumb stuff. Yeah, see, for reference, this is a one-lane road, and Tater Tot you could fit 2 Tater Tots on this road. So it's a lot more easy to maneuver. As we look over the cliff hill here, there's Freeda down there in the river. Look over the edge here. And there's so many of these too. It's just beauty, just nature, man. Perfect. I love it. It's like a little Tater Tot mini campsite. Look at that water. Look how clear and clean that mountain water is. Seeing the detail on every rock. Yeah. Okay, let's keep driving. All right, this is the spot, guys, and Tater Tot fits great. It's a great little exploring car, but gonna be a lot better when we get this lift done next month. This is the spot, though. Look over the edge here. Yeah! It's really hard to capture on film, guys. I hope my intro helped, but it is just really difficult to capture the beauty on video compared to, being here. I want to try to get down there. Let's do it. The path down does not look very friendly right now, but I really want to do it. I made it down, guys, and I'm so glad I did. Look how beautiful this is. Just don't slip on the moss, Eric. Waterfalls! Gorgeous, gorgeous. Georgia, Georgia. Part of me really wants to try to walk this log because I know that's a money shot over there, but I think I could do it. No, actually, some kind of weird inner voice just told me that'd be a really bad idea. Let's peek around the corner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is pretty. That's not worth dying, right? All right, we didn't die. Let's go back to the RV, check on the kitties. All right, we got back to camp. Everything looks good. I'm still the only person here, the only soul here. Just me and the bears. But I saw something over here. I want to go check it out. Yeah, so see, this is campsite 9, which is unoccupied. So I'm gonna walk through here and follow this little trail up here. I think. Oh yeah, I can see it. I don't know if this is gonna be potable drinking water, but there's a water well up here. Look at this. And it may have been modernized. You know what? This sucker might work. Oh, cool! It tastes fine. It's just really, really cold. I know what this area would be great for. Some crawling. I got my Traxxas TRX4. Haven't played with it in a while, and I have a new update. As you can see, there's no body on it now. I still have the stock body, but I went to the hobby shop in Titusville, and I asked them, I said, you gotta sell me that van body. It's used. It's the rock band, the 70s rock band body. So it'll just kind of change the look of my TRX4. Let's put it on. Oh my gosh. It looks awesome on this chassis, guys. I did have to do a shock mount adjustment to make it fit, but it's on there. And it's one of a kind. Let's do some crawling. Woo!
Out of my head, inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. Trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. How can I be honest with myself when I'm always playing someone else?
And good morning, everyone. Not exactly the end of this beautiful campground that I was hoping for. We had 2 great days with sunshine. Day 3 is going to be a complete washout here in the Chattahoochee National. It's also cold, chilly. I've been having to run my heater inside the RV, as well as I woke up this morning in the RV and my batteries were down to 32%. So I'm running the generator right now because we have no solar, and it's gonna be another few hours of rain at least. So I'm just kind of being proactive. Solar's great, but it is not going to be something that you can count on all the time. Even with the biggest bank, my buddy Robert, who's got 3,000 watts of solar, he still has to run his generator quite often, actually. So anyways, I'm gonna bundle up with the kiddies, maybe watch some movies. I got a few movies that I downloaded that I need to watch and get caught up that I didn't see in the theaters. So probably what I'll do today. This campground is still completely empty. Imagine this place hustling and bustling this summer. I just put everything away mostly, except for a few things. Oh, my chair. Yeah, we got a nice little puddle in my chair there. Poor Mickey chair. All right, guys, be well. Opie and Tara and I will see you in the next video from, do I even know which direction? Yes, a new state.